The Karnataka Minister Priyank Kharge, he has written to Chief Minister Siddaramaiah seeking an official circular warning government officials of disciplinary action if they associate themselves with the activities of the RSS and other organizations in violation of the existing rules. This comes days after he wrote to Siddaramaiah seeking a ban on RSS activities in government premises, calling them unconstitutional and against the spirit of national unity. This, remember, is Priyank Kharge's second letter to Chief Minister over this RSS issue. In his earlier letter to the Chief Minister seeking a ban on RSS activities in the premises of government properties, Mr. Kharge, he had accused the right-wing organization of trying to fill the minds of gullible youngsters with ideas that were opposed to the spirit of the Constitution and integrity of the entire nation. He has further alleged that the Sangh's aggressive action of wielding lathis in public without obtaining permission from the police, it was adversely impacting innocent young minds. Meanwhile, an I Love RSS campaign it was held in Mysuru, where RSS supporters, they were seen holding placards which read I Love RSS. The former MP Pratap Simha, he also took part in this campaign.
We cannot participate in political organizations or organizations that have political affiliations. That is not their job. They have been given a specific job within the government to ensure better governance is delivered to the people. If they want to preach religion, if they want to preach RSS philosophy, we will be more than happy to allow them for voluntary retirement and let them actually join the party. Let them join the association. Let them join the Sangh. We have no problems with that. But as long as you are taking salaries from the government of Karnataka, you have to follow the conduct rules of Karnataka government.
We should really look into it. As a government, definitely it's high time that definitely we'll have a look into it and definitely will apply mind and see to that what next has to be done.
Is this something that's going to be discussed in the cabinet today, sir, about banning RSS activities in government premises and things like that?
The subject is not there today as such. So whatever it is, so maybe politically we have to think and apply mind towards the government and see what we can do.
It's supposed to be used only for that, nothing else. So it is not somebody. Will you agree? Can be used for something else? This was there from a long time. But that was misused for so many ideological mentality which children and lot of parents have complained about it. So we had to make an order and we have done it in the interest of children.
प्रियंका खरगे का मानसिक संतुलित वो तो बिगड़ गया है. His only credibility is he is a son of Mallikarjuna Kharge. उसके ही जिला में भाग्यवती सुसाइड किया. क्यों किया? लाइब्रेरियन थी, 3 महीने से उसको पगार नहीं दिया, करंट बिल पे करने के लिए पैसा नहीं था, अरेंजमेंट हो रही थी, इसके लिए वो सुसाइड किया. प्रियंका खरगे उसके बारे में सोचना चाहिए. He should not think about RSS. No one could do anything. If they cannot do anything for RSS, then how you can do? You are a joker.
ये प्रियंका खरगे है, पूरा वो पागल हो गया. वो हिंदू के खिलाफ, RSS के खिलाफ, उनका बुद्धि भ्रष्ट हो गया है, इसलिए ऐसा बयान दे रहे हैं. देखेंगे ये 2 वर्ष क्या करते हैं, फिर हम भारतीय जनता पार्टी कर्नाटक में आएगा, तभी हम राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ का हर एक कार्यक्रम में बात लेने का हम नया प्रावधान करेंगे.